Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be completing this beautiful bag tutorial. Alright, so in continuation of where we stopped, alright, so this is me placing my clip, my back clip on it. Okay, carefully placing it well and ensuring that the marco is not popping out. So I'm taking my time to insert the marco into the clip for a very detailed and neat work. I usually love my work to be neat, and if you want to make sales with this bag, you should do well to make it as neat as possible so that your target audience will be wowed at the accuracy of your work. So see how my clip is looking already. Okay, so I'm going to be placing, instead of taking measurements, just place your lining on your material. You see I've cut out and then give space for folding. So instead of the hassle of taking measurements and all, just place it and then give a little allowance that will enable you to fold. So after which you now, after being through with the lining, you're going to place it this way and then top stitch. Come in by 1 inch. Come in by 1 inch. Carefully place and then top stitch your back cover. So you've seen that I actually did this part, the other part, without remembering that my lining should enter. This is actually my first time making this bag, so I'm going to still cut out that part, but still make sure that I'm actually on the safe side because my clip is covering that part. So you see how neat it's looking now. So before you do that, still make sure you make space for your lining before you put your clip to be on the very safe side. Alright, so I'm going to make an incision here. I'm going to be drafting out this part, then I'm going to make an incision with the other part of my clip. So this is the male part of my back clip. I'm going to be passing it through. So I'm using my screw so that I will not bend the clip. Okay, so I'm going to use my screw to drive the hole so that it will be easier for the clip to pass through without difficulty. I'm going to pass it through. So you see it's perfectly entered. I'm going to now bend my clip. So see how firm it's looking. So this is the demo part. I'm going to just see, so you can see my bag is already getting ready. Alright, so next I will be sewing the side of my bag to this. So this is me sewing that bag. Okay, I'm sewing it now to the bag. So see how easy it is to make the bag. Once you have your sewing machine, your work is ready and doesn't involve much stress. So this is my bag already completed. My bag is getting completed. So I'm going to now insert the lining. I'm going to sew the lining. Just know that you're holding the top part of that lining to the bag. So see how it's going to be looking. Easier to sew. Okay. I'm making sure the work is as neat as possible. So this is the bag holder. I'm going to insert this on it, fold, and then top stitch. I'm going to top stitch it. Okay, so yay, my bag is ready. Can you see the beautiful way my bag is looking? So this is the way you can make your bag very beautiful and trendy. This is me inserting my clip. You can make beautiful sales with your bag so far as your work is detailed. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. You're ready to slay your bag now at any occasion or event. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you all.